Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles Bitchute with another flashlight review, this time from Nebo. Now this here is their 7Z. Now they sent this to me, they wanted me to test and review this light. Kind of a plain box, nothing really to it. Got some information here on a sticker. So let's open it up, see what's in it. Now this here is their user manual. I'll go ahead and rip that out of there, I guess. And it is a zoom light. Kind of tells you about the light here. You've got a total of 770 lumens here at the very top. It's the highest output in 220. Alright, so now I'm going to explain to you here. Now this chart here actually is showing if you're using 9 batteries, 6 batteries, or 3. So the light outputs are a little bit different. 770 highest output with 9, 6 batteries, 700 lumens, 3 batteries, you're getting 550 on the highest outputs. Showing you how to use the battery installation if you're using the less cells, so that's actually pretty nice. You can actually run whatever batteries you have. You say like you only have 3 left, you can run this light and have less light output, but you can use this light regardless. Let's take it out of here. Nothing else in there, so we'll go ahead and here's the light. Now it says try me, but when I click on it nothing happens, so I bet you there's a protection piece in there. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the light here first. This is a Zoomy, very easy to turn, very smooth. You've got grooves on the body going all in one direction. A lot of heat sinking here. It is relatively a large light. Pure flood. And these type of lights are very popular. Again, you can zoom this in. Makes the light a little bit longer. So it's got a spacer in there. Now the style and design on this is actually nice. I'm not seeing any issues here. And the machining and finish on this is very nice. Not seeing any problems here on any lights that I've received from Nebo lately. Tail clicky there. I'll remove all that in just a second. So now let's go ahead and take a look here. Now this here is a zooming, so you're going to zoom it in. You can see the LED in there as you turn it. Now I'm not too sure what LED is in here, but could be a luminous of some sort. Does have that glow in the dark reflector. So now let's go ahead and take this apart and remove this piece here. And there's straight contact point there on the tail. And you've got a straight contact point down in the barrel. Looks identical to this one. These are all spring-loaded contacts. There's all 9 of them, showing you how to put them in there. I will be using these batteries in the test. Alright, so now, before I put it all back together, it does have some grease there on the threads. Now let's go ahead and put this back together. Let's go through the UI. Try to remove all this off of here. It's a little bugger. And of course they didn't make this very easy to do, so let's go the back way here. A lot easier. Alright, now that we got that off, you can see the design continues on, so it all looks seamless. Alright, let's go through the UI. UI is real simple. Yeah, click on that, get you the highest output first. Remember, you can use additional less batteries or the complete 9 batteries to get the highest output. So in emergency, that's kind of nice. You run it on 3. Half press that. And then again, high and low. And again, there's only high and low. That's quite a bit of light actually. Complete flood, huge spotlight. It's going to give you a large coverage area. That's why these are so popular. And some of these lights from Nebo actually have been hitting, you know, almost 150, 200 feet on this type of beam, which is impressive. Now we're going to go ahead and show you it with the zoomed in. Now it doesn't go to a square beam, but it does zoom in quite a bit. And as you can see, you lose a lot of your light output. It does have a little bit around the edges like a halo. Of course, zoom that back out, and you've got complete equal lighting across the whole beam. Alright, now if you're not a huge fan, I've got some people that just will not use lithium cell batteries, so they're really into these type of lights. So I've got to hand it to them that you can get these batteries anywhere in a moment's notice, on the road, gas station. You're going to need 9 in this, but you can run it on less. You run it on 6 or 3, so that's a big plus. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Nebo 7Z. So let's get started. There's the highest output there. A lot of light coming out of here. Real nice wide beam. And the bugs are going crazy. Really nice bloody beam. "65 feet to that tree there. 35 feet here to the water spout from where I'm standing. And as you can see, it is making the tree of life as I bring it. See the beam lighted up. 138 feet, the tree of life. Do a before and after here. 770 lumens. of flood. And we're going to do a before and after here. Before, after. Alright, we're going to go down to the next level here, half press. We do have some PWM here, as seen on the indoor camera. I don't remember there being any on this, but there is on my night shot camera. See there. Now, I don't see it with my eyes. So now we're going to go back up to the highest output. And then now we're going to zoom it in here. To the highest and most focused we have available, which is right there. Again, 138 feet, 238 feet to that tree behind this tree. That tree is way out there, lighting up those really well. Now you lose all the usable light, that is, once you zoom it in. So if you're tracking an animal and you lose sight of it, you got to bounce around and look for it again. Making that first palm tree and faintly the second one. Well, that's impressive. Zoom around here a little bit. Usually making that school way back there. And if you need some range or something to shoot out in the distance, you've got it here as well. It's kind of a square beam, as you can see. Fence line here. Tree line. Now I list all my distances on my Facebook group. Plus I made a video here on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in checking that out, you can see all my distances. Pan around one more time with it open wide. All right. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Again, this type of flood beam is very popular. I know tons of people that prefer them as their favorite. Mine, it's my second favorite. I really like the combination beam over all the other types of beams, types that you can get. This one here would be my second favorite, and I do use these all the time around the house, but when I'm outdoors, that combination beam really does everything for me. Now these higher output lights like this, and another one that I did from them, a 6,000 lumen one, that one was really impressive. It is on the large size. It does use the lithium cells, but USB rechargeable. You can use 226 650s. You know, it has a lot of other options that you can do with this, but unfortunately this here you can only run on the AA cells. Now you can use the Energizer lithium cells, which I'm going to put in here because when I store lights, they're less prone to leaking, and they do a little bit better job in illumination and runtime. Alright, well, I want to thank Nebo for sending me this to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, I have a special discount code down in the description. I'll leave a link to this light, and that'll save you on the discount is 15% off plus free shipping. So that's really a nice deal going on now till the end of June. And got some more lights coming out from Nebo coming to my channel soon, so I hope you stay tuned for that. And that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these Nebo lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.